In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop automatic iPhone updates. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings, then go to general, software update, and then automatic updates. That's where we can configure automatic updates. We can turn off install iOS updates, download iOS updates, and also security responses and system files. We are able to turn this option off, however, I recommend you to keep it enabled. That's how you can easily enable or disable automatic iOS updates.